All right, guys, here we go. In this video, we're going to show you how to beat the market manipulators regarding gold, silver, and also even if you want to trade oil, anything in the futures market, we're going to show you right here, live trading, how to beat those guys at their own game. And as you can see, we've been short for a little while on gold as soon as we broke this long-term uptrend line, and there's a couple other techniques that we use as well to go short gold. And in the meantime, and we appreciate you watching the video, so we're going to give you a few tips here. We believe gold has a real good opportunity to come down into this 200 simple day moving average, about 1850, maybe 1875. 1900 we believe is for sure a target on gold. And the reason why we're showing you this and going over this is that it's frustrating to hold either physical gold, physical silver, and then see it, watch it, tumbling backwards from where you bought in at. And how can you recover that? Okay, because you don't want to send physical gold, physical silver back to the dealer that you bought it from and then try to buy lower. It just doesn't even make any sense at all. So we're covering these micro futures. Okay, we're going to get more into it here in a minute. Or for example, silver, as you can see, going back into October of 2022, we were playing the upside off this W formation, and then we maintained this long-term uptrend line again, but we feel silver might get a little bounce here off the 200. Then we have a measured move here at the did I say 2200? Yeah, that's wishful thinking. Okay, at $22. Anyway, this red dashed line here is a specific measured move. So you have two factors, which gives us a 83 to 87% probability that we will get this consolidation here for silver and a little bounce up before we drop a bit lower. Okay, so what I'm getting at is that through your current general exchange, TD Ameritrade, Interactive Brokers, any of those guys, very fast, simple, and easy to cook your exchange account up to the micro futures. All right. Long story short, speaking of short, you could have gone short, many times in here with us and made, a little bit of money here. And then what you do with it, you can either when gold or silver, oil, whatever starts bottoming out, you can go in and for gold and silver specifically, you can go in and buy the physical. Okay, so let's say you bought, in the upper range, which generally happens to a lot of people, and then it starts pulling back, coming down, and you're going, oh my goodness, here we go. I bought it at this, now it's at that price. This is how you overcome that. Okay, you get into the micro futures, you can short those puppies all the way to the downside. And let me show you my personal account on Thinkorswim real quick. Okay, here's a Thinkorswim account, and really what I want to show you is the E-micro gold futures. Okay, so you can participate in the standard futures contract just like the big guys do, and you can go short with them, go long with them, but you're paying like a tenth of the price. Okay, for just over $1,000, you can hold a full contract of the micro gold futures. And as they're, slamming it to the downside, you can participate to the downside and then take those profits if you want, and then roll it into physical as we begin to bottom out and run to the upside. Okay. And then also, we were talking about silver. Let me pull that one up for you right here, the micro silver futures. Let's go back to the Thinkorswim and let me SI. Here we go, and SIL. Okay, I wanted to wait to the end to show you this. Okay, 1,000 ounces. I'm controlling 3,000 ounces of silver. Okay, on the contract that I showed you on the other chart. Okay, but if you just want to hold 1,000 ounces of silver, $2,300. Okay, $2,300. Where else can you control 1,000, not 100, not 10, but 1,000 ounces of silver? If you believe that at some point, silver is going to be unleashed and is going to run, to the moon, so to speak, might be not financial advice, but that might not be a bad investment there. Also, you can do Bitcoin, Ethereum, so on and so forth. And then let's go to my shameless plug here. We do have a course on the micro futures, and I'll break that down and show you the content there and what you get for your money. Okay, this is our micro futures course, Introduction to Micro Futures, including the secret trading methodology revealed. And we cover how to get into the micro futures. Also, another interesting thing for the futures is that they're controlled under FINRA, just like the stocks and ETF market. Okay, and if you try to day trade stocks, in other words, more than 3 round trips per trading day, you have to have a minimum account of $25,000. And if you drop below that $25,000, you have to add to your account in order to bring it up to 25 or plus $1,000 in order to participate. However, FINRA also controls, regulates, so to speak, the futures market. Okay, they do not require any minimum account funds. Okay, so you can have simply one contract or 10 contracts of the S&P 500, for example, or the Dow, or Bitcoin, or Ethereum, gold, silver, copper, oil. You can have, as little as one contract and trade as many times as you want, per day. So I thought that was very interesting. That, definitely unleashes a lot of opportunity for people. Now, aside, obviously, we're going to show you, break it down, each one of these micro futures contract, how to play that, how to get in, so on and so forth. But I think just as important is that also we're going to break down the charts for you and teach you that side of the business as well. How long will it take to become successful in trading futures or any other assets, stocks or cryptocurrency? Because you can use these techniques and skills that we show you for all other assets. Okay, and this is very interesting. 80%, a lot of people don't know this, 80% of your losses are because you're not implementing these 3 simple techniques. So right off the bat, we're going to show you 3 simple techniques that are going to increase your odds probability of success. Okay, and then another deal, very important, how to find the trend. 2 most important moving averages to use in your chart on any timeline, from a 2-minute to a weekly to a daily, so on and so forth. The best techniques for finding support in resistance zone. That's a key part of trading and getting in at the right time and scaling out at the right time. Okay, everything you need to know about trend lines, calculating measured moves, RSI, MACD, so on and so forth. How to determine which candlestick formations. Okay, there's hundreds of different candlestick formations, setups, that sort of deal. We're going to give you the top ones that have the highest odds, highest probability of success. Okay, and also if you follow me on Twitter or watch any of my YouTube videos, you'll see we don't go in or make a trade unless we have an 80+% probability odds of our thesis, either that the stock, asset, futures, gold, silver, whatever, is either going to go up or go down. Okay, we teach you how to do that. Where to look on any chart or at any asset for the highest odds of a successful trade, kind of like what I just said. The top few. Okay, you don't need to know every candle formation, topping tail, all the different, spinning top doji, dragonfly, gravestone. You don't need to know hundreds of candle formations. We show you the specific ones with the highest odds, highest probability of following through. Okay, and then chapter 19, you got to have self-discipline. Okay, and we emphasize that, emotional control, and then you need to practice to improve your trading abilities. I mean, you can get the course, But if you're not going to practice, you're not going to learn it, you might as well save your money, okay? And not even worry about it. And then chapter 20, we go over how putting it all together. And then actually there's a chapter 21, it's a bonus chapter that we give you kind of like a checklist, like a pilot has a checklist they go through before flying their plane. But anyway, we'll give you the link below. Right now we're having a 50% off sale. So get in, save you 50%, and then dominate that futures market, gold, silver, even crypto, oil, whatever your flavor is. And with that, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you on the charts.